Today I want to show you a fun science experiment that you can do. So all you need is a glass and some paper. I'm using paper towel, but any kind of paper will work. And you need a bowl of water. So first you just take your paper towels and roll off just a little bit and then ball it up, kind of like making a snowball. And put it down in the bottom of your glass. Make sure you squish it down and make sure it's in there very securely. As you can see, the paper towel is dry. Now, I want you to make a prediction. A prediction is a guess. When I put this down in a bowl of water, do you think that the paper towel is going to stay dry or is it going to get wet? What's your guess? Well, let's find out if your prediction is correct. I'm going to move my camera so you can see that I have a bowl of water here. It is water. I'll splash it around just a little bit. So let's put our cup with the paper towel down in the bowl. Will you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if our paper towels stay dry. It's dry. That's pretty cool. Do you want to do it again? Okay, let's do it again. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The paper towel is still dry. Let me show you. I'll take it out so you can see for yourself. It's still dry. The paper towel didn't get wet at all. Well, how did that work? It seems like it's a magic trick, but did you know it's actually science? So inside the cup, there was something else with the paper towel. There was air, and the air wanted to get out, but the water wanted to get in. And so the two pressures were opposites. So when the two pressures were opposite, nothing happened. The air couldn't get out and the water couldn't get in. So that's why the paper towel stayed dry. Have fun with this experiment. See you next time.